Hi, for the next 3 minutes we're going to talk about a way to clear the mind, to try and calm ourselves down, to give us space to think. We often talk about our mind being foggy or cluttered. I prefer to think of it as being a bit more like a snowstorm, a blizzard even, or maybe even this snow globe. There are so many things going on, so much happening between me and where I want to be, that I can't focus. I can't pick out the ideas that I need from the mass of different things going on. That's where a little mindfulness can help. It can help us to be in the moment, right here and now, not worrying about tomorrow's meeting or the row of this morning. So, if your mind's cluttered right now, maybe trying this. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, just stop. Notice the weight of your body pushing down through your bottom on the seat or your feet on the floor. Try and sit or stand as tall as possible. Noticing the balance between your body reaching to the sky and gravity pulling you down to the earth. If you can and it's right for you right now, closing your eyes. If not, softening your focus so that you're not particularly picking anything out or looking at anything. And now just noticing your breath. Following your breath in through the nose and all the way out. Each breath is unique, each is different. Just try and focus on the breath and notice how it differs from the last one. Perhaps identifying just where you notice your breath the most. In the nose, the throat, the chest. Wherever it is, just focusing your attention there. Allowing the body to breathe as it will, but really noticing it. If your mind drifts away from the breath, just gently bringing it back. Following the breath in and out. Now maybe holding your awareness of the breath, but widening your focus out so you're also noticing your body. The weight of your feet on the floor or your bottom on the seat. Feeling of your clothing against your skin. And now spreading your attention to the space around you. Any sounds, any movements of the air, and bringing yourself back to the world, but holding your awareness in the moment right now. Just a few minutes can help the storm abate, letting us see more clearly.